Hi, I'm Timo from TCK Solar. In this video, I want to talk about pool heat pumps. Traditionally, people use solar pool heating. That's the heating option where you've got the rubber tubes all over your roof and you pump the pool water all the way up there through the tubes and back down into your pool while the sun is shining. That solution used to be the only option, but now with a heat pump you can do much better. The energy needed to pump the water out of your pool and all the way up there and back down into the pool is these days the same amount of energy a small heat pump consumes to heat your pool directly in summer. The beauty of this solution is that you free up valuable roof space to install more solar panels up there to generate energy to run your pool and your heat pump. And if you choose a bigger heat pump than just for the middle of summer, you can use the pool for much longer and heat it to a higher temperature. If you'd like to learn more about that, please go on our website, fill in the questionnaire there, or give us a call and we're happy to help you.